Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I hope you're all doing well. So let me just quickly give you a quick hair update. So this is the same hairstyle that I did last week. So that's the braiding bun, but I just changed it slightly. So I just took out one braid and put a perm rod at the end and let that stay overnight. Just put a bit of gel and then put a bit of gel at the end and then just tied it up with a perm rod. Let that sit overnight, and then I just changed it from a high bun, just changed it to a low bun. So yeah, I'm just going to keep this in for one more week. So yeah, to me it's looking quite good, so I will definitely leave this in for another week. But it's a lovely, nice, versatile protective hairstyle, so you can move your buns however you want. But anyway, today's video I'm just going to show you the recent hair products I bought. Long story short, needed new shampoos and conditioners, and then I just wanted to try something new. I've got a bit of old which I used to use, and then I've got some new products, so I'm just going to show you. So the first line is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth line. I have actually used that before, but I've used the heat protector only. If you notice that, or a lovely red bottle I'm always using for either relaxer days, before relaxer days, or whenever I'm using heat, straightening my hair, whatever I'm doing with heat, I usually use that hair protector. However, they've got a few, like a full line, so I thought let's pick it up and see what it will do. So this is the Tresemme Pro collection now, and it's the Keratin Smooth line. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. So they said it is a smoothing benefit system. The 5 benefits it comes with, it says that it's up to 72 hours frizz control, makes your hair silky shine, soft feel, perfectly detangles, and tames flyaways. So that's what it does, the Keratin Smooth line. I love the heat protecting spray, so I thought to try the shampoo and conditioner. Then in this line, they also have a deep conditioner. So this is the deep smoothing mask. So it's a smoothing mask. So you just use that in after you shampoo and conditioner. You can put that in. So obviously I've got my heat protectant, just needed a new bottle. So I've got one of those. And then also in the line, it has this shine oil. So I think this is really, really good for maintenance when your hair is straight. So this is good. I'm not too sure. Let me see if it's a light or heavy. So the oil is definitely fragranced. It's a nice sweet oil. It is kind of light. It is quite a light oil. I thought it was going to be heavy. It looked a bit heavy. It's quite thick, but it is actually a light oil, and it'd be good for the ends of your hair. So when you're revitalizing, instead of if you're maintaining your hair, still do the like hair food or something that's like good for your scalp, basically. Like I use hair food or like castor oil or something with vitamins in your hair, and then use this at the end of your hair, of the ends. So this will be really, really good. So that was the Keratin Smooth line. So I've got another line, which is the first time I've seen this line. I've never seen this one before. Still by Tresemme Pro collection, but this one is the Biotin Repair. So this is a shampoo, this is a conditioner. This one has 7 benefits. So the Keratin Smooth is a smoothing system. That's what it does. Makes your hair shiny, tames from frizz, detangles, softens. So it softens your hair. But the Biotin Repair, this one is a repair. So it helps with damage. So it says it protects blow drying, bleaching, brushing, straightening, colouring, braiding, or curling your hair. So this is good for anything you like, if you want to repair your hair. So if you've got any damages in your hair and stuff like that, this will help rectify your hair. Obviously it might not help with heat damage if you're straightening your hair too much, or heat damage, but if you've coloured your hair, if you're bleaching your hair, if you're always manipulating your hair, this will help repair it. So if you've done too much with your hair and you just need a good like little boost with your hair and just to repair it, get it back to normal and get it back to nurtures, this is what the product's supposed to do. So we'll see. And then obviously it comes with a deep conditioner. I can't believe Tresemme are now doing mask. They call it mask, but we've always known it as deep conditioner. But this one is an instant recovery mask. So after you do shampoo and conditioning, then you put on your deep conditioning. So that's what they have. And I think because this line is a repair, they actually now have a primer cream, which is, I'll show you. It's a light moisturizer. So it is, they call it a primer cream, but to me it's like a light leave-in cream. So this is like a very light leave-in cream, so it stays in your hair. It's kind of like a leave-in conditioner kind of thing, but they call it a 7-in-1 primer cream. So you use that before you put in your heat protectant. So they do have a heat protectant spray. So this is just to repair it. So I think this might be the little, maybe the little magic tool before you put heat. You put this leave-in conditioner in your hair, then you've got your heat protectant. So yeah, see how that one goes. And then I got a favourite one of mine, which I used to use ages ago, and it's the Tresemme Moisture Rich one. So this is a shampoo and this is the conditioner. So I think this was like maybe one of the originals when Tresemme started coming out, because this is the smaller bottle, but then they do have a bigger bottle than this. But I just got this size because I think that's... So this one says it's luxurious moisture, locks in moisture for all day hydration for dry, damaged hair. So if you need some extra hydration, moisture in your hair, that's what it does. It just revitalizes your hair. So the other one repairs it. The other one keeps it smooth, silky, cuts down the frizz, tames the frizz. That's what I want to say. Tames the frizz, and this one just boosts back that hydration in your hair. Because this line, for some reason, they don't have a moisturizing deep conditioner, and you know, with our hair, we need to make sure after we wash our hair, we always got to make sure afterwards we deep condition it. However, I done a bit of research, which is a good moisturizing product, so I had to get this one by Shea Moisture, and it's called the Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So this is the one I got for when after I'm doing my shampoo and conditioning. I will use this one for my deep conditioner. So yeah, those are all everyday, like weekly wash day products. However, I did also might as well pick up my relaxer stuff. So I did get my relaxer kit. So as you know, if you've seen I think it was in my last relaxer update, I did say I'm going to change my relaxer and I'm going to start using lye. So I've got my lye relaxer. So this is what it looks like. For to stay with the same brand. If I don't like this brand in particular, I've got another two I did say I want to try, and then I'll try those ones. But I'm going to stick with this one. I did get the regular because I was using the regular before. They do have it in mild, regular or super, but I just got regular, and I read the instructions for medium hair on the regular one, and it says keep it in for 12 to 15 minutes. So we'll see how that goes, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, for relax today, I'm gonna try the lye relaxer. So this is what it looks like. And the only thing, you know, with the box relaxers, everything comes, but with the lye you have to buy everything separate. So I've got the relaxer, then I had to get the Neutralizing shampoo. So this is the shampoo, so you had to buy that separate. Then I got their Activate Moisture Plus conditioner. So I've got that. And then obviously I got my favourite moisturiser. It's the Weightless Daily Oil Moisturiser. So usually that comes with a kit. The only thing what is missing is they had an extra sachet for the ends of my hair. I have got some spare sachets from previous relaxers. But after that finish, I'm gonna research what I can put at the end to protect my hair. Because I like the idea in the box relaxer. It came with this protection for the hair that's already relaxed. It's got like a leave-in conditioner. I was trying to look for the bottle, but they don't actually sell it. So it's only in the box relaxer kits. It's not in the separate where you can buy it. So I'm going to research what I can use. It did say a leave-in conditioner, I think, on the packet or something like that. So I'm just going to see. Or maybe I can put maybe a normal, maybe I can put this conditioner, I'm not too sure, but maybe I can put this conditioner in my hair and then put the relaxer just on the roots, because you know we're just gonna retouch the roots, we're not doing a full virgin hair. So I'll see how that goes on. But yeah, these are just all the products I'm just gonna try, see how I get along with. Hopefully they do work. Obviously the bottle sounds promising, sounds like it's going to do everything, but let's just see how my hair reacts to these products, and then I'll see how I get on. And if I like them, I'll keep repurchasing. If I don't, I'll just have to try something else. So we'll just see. But that is now wash day products. So I did show you my styling products previously, but these are wash day and relaxer day products. As always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. So take care now. Bye.